Welcome to welcome back to my kitchen. And today, now we are going to do a new system, a new way of brining my turkey. I'm doing the turkey this time. I'm not going to use the main method of putting all the things inside. So today we're using a new system. This is water. This is salt. So I'm gonna pour the whole salt in there. Stir it right. The essence of that is to make sure that the turkey soaks in all the water through the process of osmosis from area of lower concentration to area of higher concentration. And so we're giving it a bath. So we're giving the turkey a bath. And also with the turkey, I also have lamb shank. So I'm going to also give them a bath. So mixing this, I had wanted to put, if you know me by now, you know that I love my herbs. So I had wanted to put some herbs, blend them and pour it in, but I remember that if I do that, it's going to change the color of the turkey, and I just want the turkey to be the same color and brown later on. So here with me is my parsley, basil, coriander, sage, rosemary. So I've got some little bit of it here that I'm going to just put and to get the taste out. So I also have garlic. I also have my diced ginger and some citrus. This is orange. I'm going to use orange to blend the whole thing in. So mixing this now to get it all well, so that after that we're gonna put in the turkey deep inside here. So I'm going to pour in the diced garlic and ginger. You might not, if you don't want to use that, it's not by force, you can, but I just want the whole thing to get into, the aroma of these to pass to into the turkey, so that when you open the turkey, when you're eating turkey, you get that hint of garlic, you get a hint of ginger. You can blend the ginger, you can blend the garlic. It's not going to change the color of the stuff. So if you want, you can put some of this orange inside just to get the taste, get the water in. Okay, so after stirring it thoroughly, I'm going to scoop up some to put in the, I'm going to scoop up some and put here. This is full immersion. Okay, so that should be that for that. So I put this on top of this and allow it to stay there for some hours. Okay, so remember, we just cover this and put it inside the stove, inside the fridge, freezer, or wherever you want to. You can also add this. For this, I can blend this and put inside. That's not a problem. Okay. So now we're gonna get the turkey and give it a bath. So this is the turkey well immersed inside the brine water, the salty water. The water is so salty. So this is my turkey dancing inside the water. And this is my lamb chop, my lamb shank, dancing inside the water too. So what I'm going to do now is cover it up and allow it for 6 to 12 hours to marinate. It's very cold, so I can leave this in the fridge. Just put it inside the fridge. You can cover with foil, or you cover with you can cover that with aluminum foil, or with this young man here. So we choose one. But by tomorrow morning, we bring this out and see the beauty. So when you're cooking it, it will all be beautiful. All right. So if this is how you do your own turkey, please let me know. If this is a new system to you, also let me know. And just drop your comments on the comment box there. And remember, I use ginger. I use ginger and garlic. And thank you for watching. And goodbye.